First step, download these two. Link in description. And then open Lunar Client. Select the version you want to play. I'm going to open 1.8. After you loaded it, close it. Now open Lunar Crack file. Press 1, then enter. Now enter a name of your desire. Now go to name MC and choose a skin. Go to the bottom of the list. Choose one of the UIDs, then copy. Paste it here, then press enter. If it doesn't say this, then you messed up somewhere. Now, it works, and you will have an account. There you have it.